Students, next the second question. We have to find the HCF and LCM between the given pair of integers, and we have to prove the product of the HCF and LCM is equal to the product of the given numbers. Okay, let's move to the solution. First one is 26 and 91. So by prime factorization method we have to find the factors of 26 and 91, right? So I am taking 26 can be divided by 2, I am getting 13. So 13 is a prime number, can be divided only by itself, so I am getting 13. So 26 is equal to 2 into 13. Again 91, prime factorization of 91 can be divided by 7, 13 sevens are 91. So 13 is a prime number, I am dividing 13 by 13, I am getting 1. 91 is equal to 7 into 13. To find the HCF and LCM, you have to group the elements, right? So grouping the common factors, 13. So this is the highest common factor I am getting. So HCF is 13, LCM is 13. This set is written as 13. Okay. Then the left out factors are 2 and 7. Into 2 into 7. So it gives the result 13 2s are 26, then 26 7s are 42, balance 4, 182. Okay. So I am getting 182 here. Okay. These are the HCF and LCM of the numbers 26 and 91. Then in second step we have to prove the product of the LCM and HCF is equal to product of the numbers. So let's take the LHS, LCM into HCF is equal to 182 into 13. So multiplying 182 into 13, 2 3s are 6, 24, balance 2, 5, 2, 8, 1. I am getting 6, 6, 3 and 1, 2, 2366. Then RHS, what is RHS? The product of the given numbers. So the product of the given numbers are 26 into 91. Multiplying 26 by 91 we get 6, 2, 9, 6 are 54, balance 5, 18, 23. So 6, 6, 3, 2. I am getting 2366. See, from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. So I can say that the product of the HCF and LCM is equal to the product of the given numbers, right? Next, the second subdivision, 510 and 92. So I have to do the prime factorization for these numbers. First go for 510, dividing it by 2, I am getting 255. Okay. Then try to divide it by 3, 24, balance 115. Yes, it is divisible by 3. So I am getting 24 8 times, 15 5 times. Okay. Dividing it by 5, I am getting 17. So 17 is a prime number, I am getting 1. 510 can be expressed as 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. Okay. Then go for the number 92. Dividing it by 2, I will get 46. Again by 2, 23. So 23 is a prime number. It is divisible only by 23. So I am getting 1. 92 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 23. So I have to find the LCM and HCF. HCF. See, you have to group the common factors 2. So this is the only common factor. So HCF is 2. Okay. Then LCM, write this set 2. Then the left out factors are into 3 into 5 into 17, then here into 2, then into 23. So product of these numbers gives the LCM between 5, 10 and 92. Okay, so multiply these numbers. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, then 32s are 60, 60 into 17. So 60 into 17, 42, balance 4, 102, right? So 102, I am getting 1020, then 1020 into 23, 0 6 0 3, 0 4 0 2, 0 6 4, I am getting 23,460. So in second step we have to prove the product of HCF and LCM is equal to product of the given numbers. So I am taking the LHS, LCM into HCF, which is nothing but 2 into 23,460. So 2 into 23,460 gives 46,920. Okay, then RHS, product of the numbers 510 and 92. So multiplying these numbers, 510 and 92, 0 2 5 2s are 10. Okay, then 0 9 5 9s are 45, 0 2 9 6 4. So I am getting 4692, 46920. So from 1 and 2 can say LHS is equal to RHS. Thus the product of the HCF and LCM is equal to the product of the given numbers. Next, the third subdivision, 336 and 54. First we take 336, dividing it by 2 I will get 1, 13, 6, 8. Again by 2 I will get 84. Then 42, by 2 it will get 21. 21 can be divided by 3, right? So it is 7. 7 ones are 7. Okay, so 336 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Then come for 54, can be divided by 2, so it get 27. By 3 I will get 9, by 3 get 3, 3 I will get 1. Okay, so 54 is written as 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, picking up the common factors, 2, then 1 3. Okay, so HCF is nothing but the product of these two common factors, 2 and 3, which is 6. Okay, then LCM, see, write these pairs, this set 2 into this set 3, then the left out numbers 2 power 3, right? So 2 into 2 into 2, then 7. Here I can write 3 into 3. So multiply these numbers, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48, then 48 3s are 144, 144 into 3 I will get 432. So 432, then the remaining one is 7, 14, balance 1, 22, balance 2, 3024. So I am getting LCM as 3024. Okay, so in the second step you have to prove LHS is the product of HCF and LCM, right? So here HCF is 6 and LCM is 3024. Multiplying these two values, 24 balance 2, 14 balance 1, so 1 3 8s are 16. I am getting 8144. Then RHS, the product of the numbers. So product of the numbers here is 336 into 54. 336 into 54. 6 4s are 24, balance 2, 12, 14, balance 1, 13, 5 6 are 30, balance 3, 18, balance 1, 16, 4, 4, 11, balance 1, 2, 8, 1. So I am getting 8144. See, from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. So the product of HCF and LCM is equal to the product of the numbers.